In this section, I will help you understand the concept of filter and why we need to use filter for implementing the authentication for admin, and how to implement a filter in our project. But first, let's test the login and logout functions again in a Chrome browser. You see our Chrome browser, and now we test the login function, login.jsp. Email is at codeserver.net, and password is my secret. You see, I have logged in successfully, and you can see the welcome message, welcome now at codeserver.net. And now I click log out. Successfully log out from the system. But look,